It is cold and going to get colder, so it's time to check in on my winter vegetables, harvest a little bit, and get them ready for a very cold weekend ahead. Let's take a look. So, okay, so here we have spinach and we have kale. They are both looking fantastic. And I need to cut some. My family really likes these vegetables when they're young and when the leaves are young. So be careful not to cut those Christmas lights. But let's get this, harvest some of these, and we will have salad tonight. It's too cold to run the hose outside, so this is warm, not hot, but just warm water from the kitchen. You can see the steam coming up off of it. And soil is actually still pretty damp, but water acts as an insulator and helps to keep these plants from succumbing. We're going to be well below zero this weekend, so it'll be important. And then I'm going to cover everything with some frost cloth. This just helps trap a little more heat around the plants and protects them. And because I have the plastic sheeting over it, I don't even have to pin it down, just have to cover it. It's not going to blow away. And the Christmas lights, they're incandescent Christmas lights, and they are doing their business. They generate just enough heat in here to keep things from freezing. Since both spinach and kale are cool season crops, it just really has to stay above freezing in here for them to keep growing, which is great. All right. So, fold this back in on itself and secure this. Now, I'm not going to open this again until it's a little warmer next week. I could, but that would let any kind of accumulated heat out. And of course, we want to preserve as much of that as we can. That's looking good. I'm just checking to make sure that so now let's check on the turnips. Okay, so inside here, I've had turnips growing. Oh yeah. And they are definitely ready. So let's harvest some turnips. So you can eat turnip greens, but what we really love are, look at that, beautiful turnips. They are fantastic. So I fold this plastic. I'm wrapping it here. And then on this one, I can secure it to the side of the frame. Okay, there we have it. It's going to be well below zero this weekend. So we'll see how they go next week. But I'm really pleased. I mean, it's January and I'm still growing vegetables here in Colorado. Pretty cool. Happy gardening.